Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my video again for permutation combination binomial theorem, video number 2. In my last video, I have discussed question number 1 to 3. Today, let's look at the question number 4. Question number 4 says, at the school cafeteria, a meal consists of a main dish, side dish, and a dessert. Main dish, then side dish, and a dessert. There are 3 main dishes. Okay, there are 3 main dishes, 4 side dishes, and 7 desserts to choose from. How many different meals are possible? Yes. This is also, we have to apply fundamental counting principle. There are 3 options for main dish, 4 options for side dish, 7 options for desserts. We have to combine different kind of main dish, side dish, and dessert. The final total number of possible different meals are 3 times 4 times 7. That is 84. Okay, that means answer is answer number B. Answer number B. Now we have done selected question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's select some important questions. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6 says, a fast food restaurant offers hamburgers with the choice of 7 different condiments. Customer can choose any number of condiments. Okay, any number of condiments. How many different combinations of condiments are possible? Fast food restaurant offers hamburgers with 7 different condiments. 7 different. How many different combinations of condiments are possible? Yes. Then he can accept or not accept. There are 7 different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different condiments. Customer can choose any number of condiments. That means he can say yes or no, accept or not accept, accept or not accept. Like this. That means for one condiment, there are 2 ways of selecting. There are 2 ways of selecting one condiment, like yes or no. Second type of condiment also, there are 2 ways of selecting. Similarly, there are 2 ways of selecting of each 7 kind of condiments. From the principle of counting principle, the answer is product of all these numbers. That is 2 to the power of 7. Answer is 2 to the power of 7. That means you have to multiply the number 2 7 times. 2 to the power of 7. 2 to the power of 7 is, I think, answer is 128. 128. Okay, the answer number is C. Answer number is C. Okay, now let's select question number 7. Okay, please read question number 7. A teacher has 8 different pencils in a mug on his desk. Each pencil can stand with the eraser end up or with the eraser end down. How many different ways are there to stand the pencils in the mug? Okay, that means there is a mug. Teacher has 8 different pencils like this. Okay, I am not writing, I am not drawing only like this. He can stand eraser end up or down. Both are possible. How many different ways are there to stand the pencils in the mug? Yes. That means one pencil can stand in 2 ways. There are 8 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Order let's arrange like this, okay? Because theoretically we have to interpret the question like this. Physically pencils are standing like this. Those are not in the straight line actually. Scattered, no? Pencils are scattered on the mug. But physically we have to interpret the pencil position like this. These are the 8 pencils. One pencil can stand in 2 ways. One pencil can stand in 2 ways. 2 ways mean one pencil can stand with the eraser end up or eraser end down. There are 2 ways of standing one pencil. Okay. How many ways are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means in order to get the answer from the fundamental counting principle, you can apply from the fundamental counting principle. Answer is 2 times 8. You have to multiply 2 times, 8 times. Okay. Answer is 2 to the power of 8. That is 256. Okay. There is answer for 256. Okay. That means answer number A. Yes, now let's look at another question. I would select question number 8. Question number 8. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed that do not contain the digits 0 or 8? We have to form 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-digit number. We have to fill this blank. But there is a restriction. Those number arrangements do not contain the digits 0 or 8. What are the digits? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. That means we are not allowed to use this one, 0 or 8. Okay. Then how many digits remain? If we not allowed to 0, that means we have to eliminate both 0 and 8. Altogether there are 10 digits. Okay, that is obvious. If you remove this 0 and 8, only 8 digits remains. Okay. I think 6 is missing. Okay. If you eliminate 0 and 8, 8 digits remains. That means we have to fill. We have right to fill these spaces in 8 ways. Because in the questions, there is no say repetitions are not allowed. It is not said repetitions are not allowed. That means we can repeat this number. except 0 and 8, there are 8 numbers. These 8 numbers, we can repeat these numbers. That means there are 8 ways of filling this number. 8 ways of filling this space. 8 ways. Like this. Okay? That means there are 8 ways of filling this one, 8 ways of filling this one, this one, this one. Here also we can apply fundamental counting principle. Answer is 8, 8, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Answer is 8 to the power of 5. Let's simplify this using the calculator. Eight to the power of 5, 32,768. Yes. Answer number is A. Answer is A. Now, at last we have done question number 8. Now let's select question number 9. Question number 9. A security code consists of 3 letters followed by 1 digit. 3 letters. 3 letters followed by 1 digit. First letter is the first letter is the code must be the first letter in the code must be a vowel. How many different security codes are possible? Okay. That means these must be letters. These 3 spaces must be letters. Last space must be digit. Repetitions are allowed. It is not said no repetitions allowed. No restriction for repetitions. Okay. Now, how many ways of filling? How many ways of filling first space? We have to fill the first space using the vowel. That means we have to use A, E, I, O, U. That means there are 5 ways of filling first space. Then 1 letter is gone. 1 letter is gone. How many letters remain? Sorry, not 1 letter is gone. Repetitions allowed. Okay, repetitions allowed. It is here repetitions allowed. Okay. If it doesn't say repetitions not allowed, we have to assume repetitions allowed. Okay. Repetitions allowed unless otherwise stated. Unless otherwise stated, always repetitions allowed. Now, how many ways of filling this one? 26 ways of filling this one. We can fill this out of 26 letters. We can fill this out of 26 letters. This is out of 5 vowels, out of 26 letters, out of 26 letters. This space we have to fill by digit. Digit can be any digit. There are 10 digits from 0 to 9. We can select any number from 0 to 9. That means there are 10 ways of filling this space. Now what's the answer? What's the answer for overall answer? Multiplication of this everything. 5 times, 26 times, 26 times 10. Okay, let's calculate this number. $33,800. 33,800 means answer number A. Answer number A. Okay, so far actually we have done all the questions are related to permutations. That means permutations. Order matters, okay? That means arranging everything in a straight line. Now let's look at, I think I can skip some questions, some same kind of questions. Let's select some different question. Question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 says, which expression cannot be evaluated? Okay. Actually, I have to write this in order to show this. Actually, all these abouts are this one. NPR, NCR, no, all are NPR. In order to calculate NPR, at the beginning I said the total number should be higher than the number selected. That means R should be less than or equal N, greater than or equal 0. That means this number should be less than this. That means this is right, this can be evaluated. This is also right because this can be equal to this, no? R can be equal to N. This is also right, R can be equal to 0. Actually, R satisfy all these conditions in these three situations. 8, 6, this is right, this can be evaluated, this is not, okay? That means R is higher than 2. That is, of course, no? We cannot select the more than the available number. We cannot select the object out of the available number. Then we have to extract from any other place. This is wrong, okay? Only this cannot be evaluated. That means answer is the answer number D. Answer number D. Okay, now let's select after that question number 13. Question number 13. How many ways are there to arrange the letters in the word shoe? Okay, this question is very straightforward. Actually, this question demonstrates the real meaning of the permutation. How many ways are there to arrange the letters in the word? The letters in the word mean this one, S-H-O-E. We have to arrange all these letters in a straight line. Okay, now let's follow the different approach. That means let's apply the permutation formula. N is equal to, we can use this formula, NPR equal factorial N upon factorial N minus R. What is N? N is equal to total number of letters. N is equal to total number of letters. R is also 4. We have to arrange all these letters. Out of 4, we have to arrange all these letters in a straight line. Both N and R are 4. Our answer is this one now. 4P4. Okay. Let's substitute here. Factorial 4. 4 minus 4. What is the answer? Factorial 4 divided by factorial 0. Okay, now actually if you are new to understand this concept, just to understand, this factorial 0 this value is, the value of factorial 0 is this value is equal to 1. Just remember this one, okay? Factorial 0 is equal to 1. It can be proved later, okay? After finishing the combination lesson, you are able to prove this. Factorial 0 is 1. Factorial 1 also equal to 1. Just remember these two concepts. Factorial 0 is equal to 1. Factorial 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now what's the answer? Factorial power upon 1. Factorial power upon 1, that is factorial power. If you are using the graphing calculator, using the math button, you can calculate this directly. Otherwise, use this formula. At the beginning, you can use this formula. 4, 3, 2, 1. We are applying the definition of the factorial. Factorial power is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. When you multiply this, you are getting 24. Answer is 24. Answer is 24 means answer is B. B is the answer, okay? Okay, next shall we select question number 15. Okay. What the question number 15 says. Question number 15. In a youth hockey league, 9 teams compete for championship. What is the number of ways that the winner, second, third, fourth place trophies could be avoided? We have to fill these 4 places. Out of 9 teams, this is total number, 9 teams. Out of 9 teams, we have to fill these 4 spaces. Those are actually just 4 different places, okay? They were given different names. Winner, second, third and fourth places, yes. That means we have to shuffle. We have to shuffle these 9 teams in these 4 places. This is also kind of permutations. We can use fundamental counting principle like 9, 8, 7, 5. That is one way of doing. Otherwise, simply we can substitute into this equation. Just to be familiar with, to substitute into this equation, let's substitute this value. R is equal to 4. Because we have to fill 4 spaces, 4 different spaces. Order matter, okay? Order matter, because they have specified the order. Now what's the formula? 9P4. N is equal to 9. R is equal to 4. Factorial 9 divided by 9 minus 4. That is factorial 5. Okay, just to learn something here. Here or not, we have to know how to calculate this. One way to do is actually, you can calculate this value from the calculator directly. It's a graphing calculator. But let's try to do manually just to understand. Writing these are impossible actually. This is a big number. Let's write 9 like this, factorial 9. That means 9 times, 8 times, 7, 6. What are the numbers after 5? If you are writing all numbers, this would be like this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But instead of 53321, instead of 54321, we can put factorial 5. For the remaining numbers, I put this one. Starting from 5, 54321, factorial 5. Why did I stop from here? Because we know that this is factorial 5. If we stop from here, it is possible to cut this one with this one. Divided by factorial 5. Now you can cross these two values. These are the numbers. Answer is 9876. Let's calculate this value. Okay, 9876. 9876. 3024. 3024. Answer number is A. Answer number is A. Okay. Now let's go to question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16 says, what is the value of n? What is the value of n for the equation? We have to solve this equation. np2 equal 30. What is the value of n? Okay, how do you solve this equation? Let's write the formula for this. There is a formula to expand this. Factorial n upon factorial n minus 2. We apply this formula, okay? NPR equal factorial n upon factorial n minus r. Actually, there are two styles of putting this one. Some people are writing like this. N in the top left, r is the bottom right. Otherwise, some people are writing like this. Both are correct, okay? Both notations are correct. Equal 30. Now look at careful this one after that. How do you expand this? You remember how we handled the previous question. We started with 9, 6, stop at 5 when you show the number in the bottom. Okay, we can do the same thing here, okay? Please observe carefully. I start with n. N, what's the next number? N minus 1. What's the next number? N minus 2. Okay. Once you reach the number like this, once you reach the number equal to this, you can stop. That means for the remaining numbers, simply put absolute sign. Divide by n minus 2 factorial equal to 30. Okay, I will elaborate this further like this. Okay, for example, let's try to understand like this. Say factorial 10 upon factorial 7. How do you do this? First, try to write the value of factorial 10. Let's apply the value of factorial 10 for here. 10 subtract 1, 9, 8. After that, we have to write 7, 8 up to 1. Now, instead of the product starting from 7, 6, 1, let's put factorial 7 for the remaining product, okay? Divide by factorial 7. That means once you reach a number equal to this, you can put the factorial. We did the same thing here. Okay. Now let's cross this one. If you cross these two numbers, what happened? Now let's continue this equation after that, okay? We started from here, NP2 equal 30. Instead of NP2, I wrote this relevant formula. Now I apply the formula to find the factorial n. Instead of factorial n, I use this definition. N subtracting 1 at a time, n minus 1, n minus 2. When I reach to the number equal to this, I stop. Instead of this, for the remaining product, I use the factorial. Now you can cross this and this. When you cross this in the numerator and denominator, finally you remain only this product. Okay? That is n times n minus 1. In the left side you remain with n times n minus 1. In the right side you have 30. Okay, now what's the value of n? There is a one way of doing. Just guess and check. Substitute some value and try to get 30. These are two consecutive numbers because this is n, this is n minus 1. Try with some consecutive numbers and see whether you are getting 30. Actually, if you put 10 here, this is 9. 10 times 9 doesn't work. If you put 8 here, 8 times 7 doesn't work. If you put n equals 6, 6 times 5, that works. Okay, that's okay. If it is very simple like that, we can do that. But if it is difficult to do like that, we have to find x. Then let's expand this. N squared minus n. N squared minus n. Let's move this to left side. Minus 30 equals 0. Okay, now you can factorize this, okay? N times n. Let's use the factors of this. 6 and 5 work. Minus 6 and plus 5. Okay? Minus 6 plus 5. Then let's check our factors. N squared minus 6n plus 5n. That will become minus n. 5 times minus 6 minus 30. Now let's make this to 0. We can make these two terms to 0. N plus 5 is equal to 0 or n minus 6 is equal to 0. From this you are getting n equal negative 5, n equals 6. Okay, out of these two answers, there are two answers. Out of these two answers, you have to accept positive answers only. Because from the beginning we say always these numbers should be positive integers. But we have to verify this. Not actually. This is for one knowledge, okay? If it is multiple choice question, just save the time. Once you find the answer, just mark the answer. For your knowledge actually, this is the reason. If it is a written type question, you have to provide the reason. As n is positive, n is equal to 6. Okay, that is the right answer. N is equal to 6. Answer number is C. Answer is C. Okay, so far we have discussed some number of questions from our video 1 and video 2. Let's discuss another remaining question. Then we decided to do about 20 to 22 questions. Let's do the remaining question in our next video. Thank you very much.